2, 3, 4.
Where can I hide? Too small. There's no enough space. This! This is the best place to hide. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Do you have work for me?
Can you build a secret room inside the fridge?
Of course!
Yay!
Apple?
Strawberry. Milk.
Let's go!
Yes!
Come on!
Oh no!
Yeah!
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy will never find me here.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, hello!
I need to find a good place to hide. I got an idea. Hello.
What can I do for you?
Can you build a secret room inside the sofa?
Of course I can.
Let's go! Come on!
Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53.